Wollongong's really turned it on here for the inaugural Australian Motorcycle Festival. The Yamaha precinct of the show is massive. Not only do we have a display of the latest release motorcycles, we've decided to use the event to showcase the full range of Yamaha products. Let's go and check it all out. If you're riding a Yamaha, whether that's on the road or out on the water or on a wave runner, you want to look the part. And the best way to do that is to hit up the guys at Yamaha Genuine Parts and Accessories. As you can see behind me, they've got a huge range of merchandise, but not only that, you can get all your spare parts and accessories for whatever Yamaha product you own through the Shop Yamaha webpage. We also do helicopters. Check out this awesome thing. This is called the Phaser, and it's used for crop dusting and also fertilising of your crops. It's an unmanned aerial vehicle, and the guys that fly these things truly are spectacular pilots. You know in the movie Jaws when Roy Snyder says we need a bigger boat? I think this is the engine from it. Check this out, 425 horsepower, 5.6 litre V8 outboard Yamaha motor. The Australian Motorcycle Festival has proven to be truly a family affair. You can see the guys here from Yamaha Marine inflating a heap of sharks. They're selling these for $5 each and the money's going to the Variety Club. Everyone remembers the first time they rode a motorcycle, so Yamaha's made that experience a truly memorable one with the Fun Bike activation. It's a fully inflatable kit. We've taken this thing all around the country, giving young kids their first opportunity to ride a motorcycle in a safe and fun environment. The crew from Oats MX are here to do a bit of coaching, and these kids are well looked after with all the safety gear, and it is really a great way to introduce them to the wonderful sport of motorcycling. For showgoers who just couldn't wait for the release of the all-new Tenere 700, they took one for a spin in the virtual world here with the YMF YMI VR360 virtual reality Tenere 700 ride. You can see behind me here, the guys got the goggles on, they've got the headphones on, and motocross legend Stephen Gall takes them for a spin in the virtual world on the new bike. One of the most popular things at the Australian Motorcycle Festival for Yamaha has been the test rides. We've had 17 bikes here. They've been booked out all day for the 3 days that we ran the rides. Guys are just coming in for another ride now. We've got a heap of guys ready to go out again. Nikon, 2020 YZF R1, the whole range of Yamaha products are here and the guys are enjoying the rides on them. No one really wants to be sitting on the side of the road with one of these things behind them, but when you get a chance to get up nice and close to them, you can see that they're a pretty special bit of kit. This is the FJR 1300. Police use them not only for highway patrol duties, but also for VIP duties as well. We fit them out at Yamaha to fit the police specifications, and they really are an amazing piece of kit. When it comes to showing what a Yamaha motorcycle is truly capable of, it's hard to go past our mate Dave McKenna. He's been stunting these things for years, and what he does on a motorbike defies logic. The great thing about having the Australian Motorcycle Festival here in a beautiful location like Wollongong, being on a coast, it not only gives people the chance to test ride the latest two-wheel machines from Yamaha, they can also get out on water on these wave runners. If all these Yamaha products have whet your appetite to get out there and have a real adventure, you need to start with the right license. These are the guys that you need to see at the Yamaha Training Academy. They can help you out with everything from a drone license through to a PWC license and even some careers with Yamaha. Look them up on their webpage.